Good morning, YouTube. It's Papa Texas back there somewhere. That's right. If you think I'm feeling better, you wrong. I'm a good actor. Yeah. I hurt people. I hurt. What are we doing today? We're fixing to go back inside and take a nap. Someone needs to come over and mow my yard. Yeah. But let me tell you this. When I get feeling better from my injury, we're going to redo this area right here, and we're going to put some cement stuff down over there, and we're going to have an awesome new cooking area. Yeah. Hey, you know what? Off of this video, if you have a video out recently that Papa needs to go watch, especially if it's a cooking one or something, you know, I got a lot of YouTube friends, and I watch more than cooking, because I stay up with you. But if you got a video that I need to come out and see over the next 2 days, I'm going to spend the next 2 days looking at this channel and these comments and stuff like that. Leave me a thumbs up and I'll come over there and check. You know? Or tell me what video you want me to see. I'll come check it out. Oh, so I can't cook for 2 more weeks. But when I do, it's going to be a cooking collab with Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue and Craig over at Behind the Garage Barbecue. Those are 2 good channels. You know, if you like to cook or you like entertainment, go check them out. I'm going to leave them, I don't know, I'll leave them right here at the end of this video. You can go over there and check them out. But we'll be talking about them in a couple weeks. They're doing really good. I can't tell you what we're gonna cook. Have you ever heard of tamarind? Tamarind. Hang on, I'll go get it. This is it right here. This is tamarind paste, not the root. Tamarind. I don't know if you can read that or not, because my camera doesn't focus good anymore. I don't know what happened to that. Anyway, I'm going to cook with this. And if there's anybody that wants to go get this and do a collab cook with it, on the grill, of course, not indoors, email me and put always, if you email me, always put Papa Texas in the subject line. Otherwise, I miss a lot. There's a lot of junk going on. Right now, it's Texas75069 at AOL.com, which is I live in the state of Texas. Yes, I do. And my zip code is 75069. Don't go looking for me. You'll never find me. I want to cook with a couple people doing a collab, because I'm going to take this paste right here and I'm going to make some kind of sauce out of it, and I'm going to throw it on something, because this stuff is said to be fantastic. And if you look this up, go back and look at, I spelt it for you already, go back and look at it and look at all the health benefits that tamarind has for you. Some people make this into something where they drink it every day, kind of like apple cider vinegar, and it's a very healthy root. Oh. Anyway, so what else I got for you? Of course, we're taking it easy. We're trying to heal. I slept in the trailer for the first time last night in a long time, because I came out here. I can't tell you what I was doing. I peed. I'm sorry. And the wind was blowing. It felt good. It was kind of hot, but it felt good. So I went out there to the trailer, and I opened up all the vents, and I turned the fan on and got it all going, stuff like that. And Still didn't know at that time whether I was going to sleep out there or not, but I did. And Gigi came wake me up. Because her and her sister are going to White Right. To do something. I don't know. So I'm home alone. We got cameras around here so she can keep an eye on me, so I can't do anything that she can't see. Anyway, I'm rambling. I just felt like putting a video out here for y'all. You want to do a collab cook with Papa Texas? It'll be a month or two away, but you're welcome. You're welcome to go to Papa Texas at texas75069aol.com. Put Papa Texas in the subject line. Maybe put collab if that's what you want to talk about. And I'd like 3 people to be in a collab together, and we'll work together. I mean, I like collabs because it makes you think outside the box sometimes on the project you're putting together and cook, and it's just fun. It really is. If you haven't done that, do that. Get you a Vont light. Yeah. Oh, the winner. I've already picked the winner from who gets the lights and stuff like that. You should have got the box today, but it didn't happen. But I'll be getting that together for you. And of course, you wanted Uncle Steve shake and a Papa Texas sticker and an Uncle Steve sticker and all that kind of stuff. You're gonna get all that, and it's gonna be a surprise. Yeah. All right, y'all. We will see y'all on the tubes. Let's keep having fun. If you ain't having fun, don't do it. Yeah.